wild. We're led to believe. Yes, those Club Life 538.